Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best GoPro Accessories Kit is probably one of the most essential investments for any action camera enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right accessories can dramatically enhance your footage and overall experience. From mounting options to protective gear, the perfect kit can unlock a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to capture stunning shots in any environment. Number 5. Action Camera Accessories Kit for GoPro Insta360 DJI. This comprehensive kit is the perfect companion for any action camera. It's designed to help you capture amazing videos and photos, no matter the activity. It's easy to use and will protect your camera. The kit includes a 360 degrees rotatable wrist strap, a head strap, and a chest strap. These straps allow you to capture immersive point-of-view shots from various angles. They are adjustable to fit different sizes. The flexible mini tripod can wrap around objects and stand stably. The selfie stick is lightweight and portable, extending from 7 to 29 inches. It also comes with a comfortable wrist strap. The floating handle keeps your camera safe while you're in the water. The car suction cup lets you record your road trips. The handlebar mount is easy to install on your bike or motorcycle. If you have any issues with the accessories, please contact customer service. They are ready to help you solve it as soon as possible. What we like. This kit is your go-to if you're a sports enthusiast. It offers a wide array of accessories, including various straps for different perspectives, perfect for capturing those action-packed moments. If you're looking to document your adventures in skiing, cycling, or any high-speed sport, this kit has you covered. It provides all the essentials to make sure your camera is secure and you get the best shots. What people say. This kit has a mount for just about any situation. I've mainly used it with a GoPro Hero 7, and it's been great to have the flexibility whether I want chest, head, or suction cup mounts. I was able to use the black and yellow buoy to make sure my GoPro didn't sink in the ocean. It was extremely convenient for me. Also, the head mount is really good. Might be a little tight for some, but haven't tried others so can't comment on that. I've used the chest mount many times for my GoPro soccer videos and it delivers amazing quality. Number 4. HONGDAK GoPro Hero 13 12 11 10 9 Accessories Kit. This kit includes a waterproof housing, specially designed for your GoPro. It provides ultimate protection during outdoor and underwater activities. Also included is a silicone case, light and strong, ensuring easy access to all camera functions. The 3-in-1 folding extension arm transforms into a grip, tripod, or extension arm. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use. A large carrying case is included, providing convenient storage for all accessories and your camera. Capture impressive shots with the chest strap, head strap, and wrist strap. These are perfect for hands-free filming and various outdoor activities. The helmet extension arm offers the perfect arc for self-shooting. The suction cup mount attaches to smooth surfaces, while the bicycle mount secures your camera to your bike. The 360 degrees rotating clip mount offers versatile mounting options for various activities. Enhance your underwater footage with the 3-pack filter kit. It improves color correction and contrast. The anti-fog inserts prevent fogging in cold and humid environments, ensuring clear shots. What we like. This kit stands out with its waterproof housing, ensuring your camera's safety in aquatic environments. It also includes a versatile 3-way adjustable arm, letting you switch between a grip, tripod, and extension arm. If you are looking for a complete solution for both underwater and outdoor activities, this bundle is the ideal choice, providing everything you need in one package. What people say. Actually better than I expected, the accessories are really good quality, they fit perfect with my GoPro 13, and the silicone and waterproof cases are helpful. The waterproof case performed flawlessly, keeping everything dry even during deep dives. The power button remained responsive and reliable, even below 20 feet. The floating grip worked perfectly and kept my GoPro secure on the water's surface, and all components remained rust-free after a week of heavy use. The bike mount held firm on rough trails, giving me stable, shake-free footage. Every accessory promised was included, and the build quality exceeded expectations, nothing felt cheap or flimsy. Even the tripod fit snugly and worked great for time-lapse. The kit has everything you need to get creative with mounting and protecting your camera. The waterproof housing fits the Hero 9 perfectly, giving me peace of mind when shooting underwater or in wet conditions. The silicone case adds extra grip and protection for everyday use. I love the adjustable arm and the variety of straps, head, chest, wrist, which let me capture shots from different angles easily. The bike mount and suction cup are solid and hold the camera securely, even on bumpy rides or car windows. The floating grip is a nice bonus for water adventures so you don't lose your camera. Number 3. TELESIN GoPro 12-11-10-9 Battery Charger Kit. This kit is both a storage box and a charger. It can charge 3 GoPro batteries at once. It also protects the batteries from water and dust. The charger is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry. You can put it in your bag or luggage without any problem. It's perfect for travel. This kit includes replacement batteries with 1750 mAh capacity. They will extend the recording time of your GoPro. You can capture every moment with them. It uses a Type-C USB interface for easy charging. The user-friendly design allows you to plug it in either way. It's very convenient to use. The charger and batteries are fully protected. They are protected against overcharging, short circuits, and other potential issues. You can use it with confidence. What we like. If you are looking to extend your shooting time, this kit's triple battery charger is a game changer. It allows you to charge 3 batteries simultaneously, ensuring you're always ready to capture the next shot. The compact design makes it easy to carry around, and the safety features guarantee peace of mind. If you are a traveler or someone who shoots for extended periods, this is a must-have. What people say. The 2 extra batteries hold a solid charge, and the charging case is compact and smartly designed. Swapping out batteries is quick and convenient, and the batteries themselves last a long time. The multi-charger has lights that indicate if individual batteries are charged and provides convenient storage for batteries. Number 2. GoPro Action Camera Accessories Kit. This comprehensive kit includes 13 essential accessories for your action camera. It has everything you need to capture amazing photos and videos. This kit is designed to enhance your shooting experience. The selfie monopod lets you capture shots from unique perspectives. You can easily film yourself or get shots above the crowd. It's perfect for concerts or sporting events. Get a more engaging view with the head and chest straps. They're ideal for capturing action while skiing, mountain biking, or riding a motocross. These straps provide a first-person perspective. Keep your camera safe in the water with the float. It's designed to keep your camera with a waterproof shell afloat. This ensures you can capture all the underwater action. The car suction cup mount holder is easy to adjust and use. You can record scenes inside or outside your car while driving. Rotate the adapter to get the perfect angle. We offer a 15-month product warranty. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us. We are here to help you. What we like. This kit focuses on the essentials, providing the key accessories to get you started. The head and chest straps are perfect for capturing immersive POV shots. If you like to keep things simple and want to capture action shots, this kit offers the core components you need to get great footage. What people say. Everything worked out great for me. The accessories are compatible with my GoPro Hero Black 11. The accessories are easy to use and can be attached to different surfaces and angles. They are also durable and waterproof and can withstand various weather conditions. So far it has really enhanced the quality and stability of the videos and photos and allow him to capture amazing moments from different perspectives. Number 1. NEEWER 50-in-1 Action Camera Accessory Kit. This kit is designed to work with a wide range of action cameras. It is compatible with GoPro Hero models, as well as DJI Osmo Action, Insta360, and many other brands. This ensures that you can use it with your existing camera. The kit includes straps for your head, chest, and helmet. These straps are designed to fit all sizes and body shapes. They allow you to capture amazing point-of-view shots while you are surfing, skateboarding, or even skydiving. It also comes with a wrist strap and a floating handle grip. The wrist strap has a 360-degree rotatable mount for versatile shooting angles. The floating handle grip keeps your camera afloat when you are in the water. The kit includes a handlebar mount and a suction cup. The handlebar mount fits most bike and motorbike handlebars. The suction cup allows you to attach the camera to your car for capturing in-car footage. Finally, the kit features a flexible tripod and a selfie stick. The tripod can wrap around objects and stand on uneven surfaces. The selfie stick is perfect for taking selfies and videos on the go. What we like. This kit offers ultimate compatibility with a wide range of action cameras. It includes various straps for different perspectives and mounting options for diverse shooting scenarios. If you are looking for a versatile kit that works with multiple cameras, this is a great choice, providing flexibility and convenience for all your shooting needs. What people say. The kit includes a variety of mounts and accessories, providing versatility for different shooting scenarios. The chest strap and head strap are adjustable and comfortable, allowing for hands-free recording during activities. The floating handle grip is useful for water activities, preventing the camera from sinking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.